Marriage Story. In the heart of a quaint, bustling city, there lived two souls, Emma and Jack, whose paths crossed under the most ordinary circumstances, yet their story unfolded like the pages of a deeply moving novel. Their first encounter was at a cozy café, where Emma accidentally spilled her coffee on Jack's laptop. Amidst the chaos and apologies, a connection sparked, leading to hours of conversation, laughter, and the discovery of shared dreams and aspirations. As months turned into years, their love blossomed, leading to a proposal on a rainy evening, with Jack on one knee in the very cafe where they first met, now lit by candles and filled with the soft melody of their favorite song. Their wedding was a picturesque day, embodying their love's purity and warmth, celebrated with close friends and family in a serene garden adorned with white roses and lilies. However, the euphoria of their wedding day slowly faded into the background as the realities of married life set in. Jack's job as a surgeon demanded long, unpredictable hours, leaving Emma feeling lonely and neglected in their home, which once felt filled with love and laughter. Emma, a passionate teacher, found herself buried in paperwork and classroom preparations, further widening the emotional gap between them. The distance grew, leading to arguments sparked by trivial matters, the forgotten groceries, the untidy living room, each argument chipping away at the foundation of their marriage. Silent dinners became the norm, and the once easy flow of conversation turned into a series of polite exchanges. One fateful night, their strained relationship reached its breaking point. A misunderstanding over a cancelled anniversary dinner led to a heated argument, where harsh words were exchanged, and years of pent-up frustrations surfaced. Feeling heartbroken and misunderstood, Emma left to stay with a friend, leaving Jack alone, surrounded by the deafening silence of their home. The separation was a wake-up call for both. In the solitude, they reflected on their love, the joyous moments that seemed so distant now, and the realization that they had allowed life's pressures to build walls between them. Missing the intimacy and connection, they initiated tentative conversations, each call and message a step towards understanding and reconciliation. They decided to meet at their cafe, where it all began. Sitting across from each other, they shared their fears, insecurities, and the love that, despite everything, remained unshaken. They talked about the importance of communication, the need to prioritize their relationship, and the commitment to work through challenges together. This conversation marked a new chapter in their marriage, one where they actively chose to love and understand each other. They started scheduling regular date nights, sharing daily highlights and struggles, and learning to find joy in the little moments. Years later, their love story, with its trials and triumphs, became a beacon of hope and inspiration to their friends and family. Emma and Jack learned that marriage is not just about the love you feel but the love you actively choose to give and nurture, even when the going gets tough. Their story is a testament to the power of love, communication, and forgiveness, serving as a reminder to all that while the path of marriage may be fraught with challenges, it is also filled with the opportunity for growth, understanding, and a deeper, enduring love.